Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you English Literature chapter 18. Name of the chapter is On the Top of the World. Once I have taught you this lesson, now I am revising it. Two parts of this lesson have already been revised. Today I will try to complete the chapter. Now let us begin. Cordova is asking to Arunima, you have been part of the Yucco Everest expedition. Please elaborate why has been named so. Then Arunima replied, this expedition has been named so because during this expedition, Arunima and her co-climbers had to clean that area. Cleaning means they did not have to leave anything there, pick up what they could, and bring it back. From Camp 1 till the summit, there are lots of things like oxygen cylinders, flags, wrappers, and cans lying. This is the garbage that is accumulating there. Arunima and her co-climbers picked up as much as they could and brought it back. Again, Cordova's another question. You have been termed a miracle. The spotlight is in you. How do you feel and how do you react to this? Arunima is replying, what is a miracle? When someone discovers his/her unique quality and moves one step ahead of the ordinary. Unique quality means special quality and moves ahead of the simple. That person is termed as extraordinary or a miracle. So it is up to you to decide whether you want to be a miracle, extraordinary or just ordinary. It is a fact that she feels elated when people call her a miracle. Then Cordova tells, what is your message for the young generation of today? She replies, today's youth is her generation, hence she can identify with them. She feels today's youth have no idea to their goals, though they seem to be constantly wanting to achieve their goals and targets. They are running after too many things. Her sincere advice to them is, select a goal, one goal at a time, and work dedicatedly towards it. She advises to today's youth to take one goal and work dedicatedly on that goal. Now again Cordova asks, what inspired you to title your autobiography Born Again on the Mountains? She replies, this is the truth. Her life is a gift of the mountains. If she had not climbed the mountains, would never have become known to the world. She climbed mountains, so she is known to the world. If she had not climbed mountain, then she would not be known to the world. The mountains have given her a new life. She got a new life from mountain, full of courage, willpower and confidence. She got a new life full of courage, willpower and confidence, everything from mountain. She climbed mountains so people of the world know her. Now Cordova, finally, we are very thankful to you. She gave interview for this Cardova is thankful to team of Cardova is thankful to Arunima for sharing your most memorable moments with us and inspiring us to move ahead and make even the impossible possible. She made impossible possible, the thing which is impossible, that she made possible. As she lost her leg, she had prosthetic leg, and by that prosthetic leg she conquered Mount Everest. And so it was a moment of pride for the entire nation. Today I have completed the chapter about Arunima Sinha, Cardova's interview with Arunima Sinha. Thanks.